Okay, so first click on Insert tab, then click on Symbol, go to More Symbol, and here in font select Tahoma. Oh, sorry, not Tahoma, Times New Roman. Here in subset you should select number forms. So here we can see number, here is a shortcut key and Unicode name. Okay, so here we can see my keyboard. For example, I will type number. So number is, I'm typing shortcut key, yeah? I will type shortcut key, Alt X, and numbers are changed. And doing things like this, you can type any number, or you can simply select this number from symbols, as I showed you before. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.